how to back up and download all the emails from your webmail account in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. Next, in this page, inside the Mail folder, all the emails from your webmail accounts are stored. Right-click on the folder and select the Compress option from the list. Next, in the pop-up, select the download format from the list. It is always better to choose the zip file format. Now you can see the mail folder is being compressed. Once done, select the compressed mail zip file. Next, click the download option in the top menu to download a copy of the zip file to your computer. And now you have successfully downloaded the zip file containing all the emails from your webmail account in cPanel to your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.